Hey guys, I'm so excited to share my spring night routine with you because as always things are changing, and one of the most important things I've changed lately is trying to finish my big project, most stressful parts of my job by 6 p.m. Like, I know I'm gonna have to do work at night, but I want that to be like the fun, creative, just easy stuff. So trying to really finish at 6. And then now with spring and it's staying lighter later, I've been trying to go on at least one sunset run every single week, sometimes two, because I just love it so much, but at least one. And I want to show you the super cute new run club gear I got from Lululemon. I'm so happy they sponsored this video so I could share my whole nighttime routine with you, of course, but also show these clothes because you guys are always asking me about my outfits. And when it comes to working out, like, what you're wearing is actually really important. Like, I don't know if you've ever put on an outfit that you're like, this is so cute, and you bought it and then you went to take like a yoga class and everything's like sliding down your body or like creeping up where it shouldn't, or you start running and your pants are sliding down, your socks are sliding down. Like, it's seriously the worst. And this stuff was made for running. It's so cute. Like, look at all these outfits. And the visor, I love it because then I can keep my messy bun out. It's so nice. But it's super cute. The materials are just amazing. They're so soft and silky. These little socks have like a tiny grip on the heel so they don't slide down. Like, it's just adorable. Like, literally the best thing ever for running. And guys, when it comes to a bra, I'm not kidding you, this is the most supportive bra I've ever put on. Like, nothing moves. Okay, so I got my deodorant on. I'm ready to go. And I'll put a link to all the Lulu stuff down below for you guys to shop. And I'm putting everything in the app. I love logging my cardio days in there, and I'll show you guys like what I do so I can log how far I've run. But look how beautiful this is. I absolutely love it. Like, I just need running so bad for my mental health. Like, it's so much more than the physical part of it. Like, I would not say like I love running. Like, I'm not like, yes, I can't wait to go run. But like, I know I feel amazing mentally and emotionally after I do, and physically. It's just so much more than just burning those calories though. So I'll log it in the app, put like, oh, if I ran like 2.5 miles, and I'll just log that in there so I know in my journal when I go back, put my hydration, and good to go. And the cool thing too is with Lululemon, you guys, they have this app Strava, and you can actually connect with other runners. So if you want to go like run socially and have people to help support you along the way, you can find people in your area to run with too. All right, so I'm not gonna wash my hair, but I do obviously wanna like clean it up a little bit, take care of it. I've been doing a lot of different things lately to help with the growth and health of my hair, and I'm gonna actually share that in another video for you guys. But one of the things is just adding more like of these oils and adding more split end treatments into it and doing masks like once a week to really help with the growth. And then I've been doing oil pulling. So these are the little Kapari oil pulls. Like, you guys know I love everything Kapari, the deodorant. I love all the new sunscreen, but like, this is something I just started doing, and if you've ever done oil pulling, like, you know, it's a little bit weird at first. I was unsure about it, but now I really love it. But you gotta spit it out in the trash can. So you like swish it around for like 5 to 15 minutes. Put it in the trash can though, because otherwise it's oil and it can harden, and you don't want that going down the drain. So in the trash. And I know I'm kind of crazy. Like, Ryan literally the other day was like, Katie, one day I'm gonna get you help for all of your organizational anxiety. So sweet. But I just need things to be put away and cleaned up, like for me to feel relaxed. So even though my closet looks kind of scary right now, like, it's organized for me, and like I know where everything is, and I feel like things are at least put away, and that works for me, and I can like then just let it all go. And yes, we just got back from Coachella, but I wanted to show you guys, this was like my prep area. If you didn't see it in Instagram stories, all the outfits I was looking to bring, like all the things, there was a lot. It was a little overwhelming to know, and I actually still have outfits that I didn't actually get to wear, but I want to just in life, so you'll be seeing those ones soon too. And I still have so many photos from Coachella. Look how cute our teleties are. Those are the LSF ones. I'll link them below for you guys too. Okay, so I was trying to figure out all my outfits. I had so much stuff from Revolve and then Swirl Boutique, which is one of my favorite local boutiques, but they're also online, so I'll put those down for you guys below too, all the links. But I didn't know exactly what to wear, so I made Natalie come over and help me put all the outfits together, and she was a lifesaver. Okay, so you guys have seen this in my Instagram stories. If you follow on Instagram, if you don't, go follow, because there's so much good stuff over there. But this is Plate Joy. Seriously, game changer. If you guys haven't downloaded the app, go download it. You can have it on your phone or on mobile too, but like, This for me is like the best thing that ever happened, because during the week, like I love to cook. You guys know I love coming up with recipes and getting creative, and like it's one of my biggest passions. But during the week, like I'm kind of stressed and I don't have a ton of time, and I don't always feel like getting like way creative. And I'm sure Ryan doesn't love having the same meal every day. Like I literally could eat the same thing every day. I don't think he's into it. So this just helps give me so many new ideas for recipes. And you literally fill out a questionnaire as you go through it that asks you things like if you eat meat or not, if you are like on a paleo diet, or if you like can't have grains, like so many different questions. And even like my favorite one is it asks you if you're like someone who could have the same thing to eat every day for lunch, or if you like want something new, so that if you're like me and you could, it shows you how to make the recipe in a big batch and how to save it so that you can have it all week long. Or if you're like, no, I need to make something new every day, then it shows you how to make the recipe for that too. So it's just like really intuitive, super helpful, and it allows me to like get a little bit creative, think outside the box. Like, yes, I still make zoodles, which are my favorite, but I normally wouldn't do the chicken the way that I'm gonna do it with this recipe. So this is more of a breaded chicken. I think it was with panko crust. I'm gonna use coconut flour because that's just what I prefer, but still, like it just is switching things up and makes it like a little bit unique. So it's not just like zoodles with ground turkey and red sauce, which is like one of my favorites, but I know it gets old sometimes. And then making up some kale. I'm gonna add some tomatoes to this as well, and just like, it's so good and so easy. And that's the other thing. It's like, do you want recipes that are like take less than 10 minutes or ones that take a little longer? Like it's awesome. So go download it. The really great thing for you guys, we have 10 free days of Playjoy, as well as $10 off if you use the code LSFKatie. So I'll put that link down below for you as well. But go download it. It's just awesome. Okay, look how cute our new little setup is. I'm so happy. I absolutely love that beautiful, beautiful piece from Gray Malin. It was so nice of him. And I just wanted to quickly show you guys, these are the supplements I've been taking to help as I'm getting off birth control. DIM is supposed to be amazing for your complexion, helping avoid acne, and these mood pills really, really saving my life and keeping Ryan real happy as I am like getting off of that birth control, because it can be a little dicey at times for sure. But I'm so happy I did it. And you guys, I'm gonna do a full vlog on all of that, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss it. Everything about going off birth control, all the TMI things, like so much. Okay, look how good this dinner looks. And I know a lot of people will be like, oh my gosh, like it's so bad to sit in front of the TV and watch TV while you eat, but you guys, like we don't do it constantly. And Ryan and I are together 24/7 talking all day long. We still talk. It's not like we like zone out or like TV, eat. And I really, really consciously try to put my fork down in between bites to make sure that I'm chewing, I'm eating slowly, because that's the biggest thing when you watch TV, you end up eating too fast most of the time. But I really make sure I put my fork down every time in between bites. Then we have our little hanger bombs as a dessert. You guys can find that recipe on Love Sweat Fitness or in my Instagram highlights. Stretch it out, and that's my night. Don't worry, I will be doing a full bedtime routine soon, showing you all the steps I do to get ready for actual sleep time. Comment below if you like this video, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.